Hi, these are the days of online consultations and telemedicine conferences. Often the need people to communicate online from the comfort of their houses. The easiest device which comes to hand is a smartphone, and many people, including patients, prefer to conduct or contact and speak with their doctor on their smartphones. Not everybody has got a laptop available. So when you communicate with patients on laptops, on a smartphone, it is difficult to look a patient in the eye like what I am looking now. So there are many ideas to overcome this communication obstacle, that is, which consists of invoking the use of teleprompters and many other high funda things. But since these telemedicine conferences are usually done on a day-to-day basis, one can't be searching for or investing in costly products. So I made a teleprompter, DIY teleprompter, to make this step easy. Remember that our goal, that is to maintain eye contact. But if you're holding a teleconference, then what will be on the screen will not be my image, but it will be the image of a patient. So I have to look the patient in the eye. So the goal, remember, is to look the patient in the eye, accomplished by the use of a teleprompter and another phone. It can be an Android phone or iPhone. There are pairing apps available for the phone. So let me show you my homemade teleprompter to start with, which is very easy to build. This is my homemade teleprompter, and what it consists of, it's basically an old CD case. So remember the CDs of yesteryears? It's an old CD case, and it opens up like this. You can rest your phone or any other device on which the meeting is coming or meeting is being mirrored over here, and this is the transparent glass. So your recording phone should be placed over here, and this can be mounted on small stool on a table or anything like that, and you can mount your phone on a tripod behind this and record. So basically what this will do is that if there is a Google meeting on a phone over here, assume that this is the recording phone on which the Google Meet is being conducted. You want the Google Meet from that phone to come to another device over here. So the method to do that is to pair the phone behind with the phone over here. There are apps available on the App Store. AirDroid is another app, and so you can use any of them and carry on with your teleconference. So there is no investment for this. The method is very easy to set up. All you need is to set up your mount your phone on a clamp and connect it on a tripod, get another phone, connect the two, and there you go. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I actually made a video on how to make this do-it-yourself teleprompter. The link is over here. So go ahead and make this affordable do-it-yourself teleprompter and start giving a new meaning to your Google Meet or Zoom calls. I'll see you in another video. Cheers.